In the quiet darkness of space, far from the noise of cities and the rush of life, our planet floats like a small blue miracle. Every ocean, every mountain, every heartbeat exists on this single fragile sphere. Captured during NASA's Expedition 65, these real 4K images reveal our world as astronauts see it: peaceful, delicate, and endlessly beautiful. For the next 50 minutes, allow yourself to drift above Earth. Let the colors, the silence, and the movement of clouds remind you of the beauty below and the wonder of the universe around us. Earth is known as the blue planet, and from orbit, the name feels perfect. More than 70% of its surface is water, and from space, the oceans glow in shades of sapphire, turquoise, and deep cobalt. From up here, sunlight creates shimmering reflections across the waves. Storms swirl like giant white spirals. Currents carve invisible pathways across the sea. The ocean is alive, constantly moving, shaping weather systems that travel thousands of miles. And all of it, every tide and every storm, begins right here, from this global perspective. At the edge of the world lies a thin blue line, Earth's atmosphere. From space, it looks impossibly fragile, like a soft, glowing ribbon wrapped around a precious gem. This thin layer is everything. It gives us air to breathe, protects us from deadly radiation, and creates the climate that makes life possible. Watch how it glows during sunrise as the first hints of light curve across the planet. Watch how it dims at sunset, letting Earth fall gently into night. The atmosphere may seem delicate, but within it, all of life exists. As Earth rotates into darkness, a different world awakens. From above, city lights trace the shape of continents, glowing networks of human presence. Each light represents a story, a home, a life, a moment. From orbit, the borders we see on maps disappear. What remains is one connected constellation of humanity, shining softly in the night. In the darkness, bursts of light flicker across the atmosphere, lightning storms alive with energy. From Earth's surface, storms can feel overwhelming. But from space, they become a silent ballet of electricity, illuminating entire cloud systems in an instant. These storms help shape the balance of our climate. They carry heat, moisture, and charge across continents. Near the poles, ribbons of green and purple light dance across the atmosphere. These are auroras, the result of solar winds colliding with Earth's magnetic field. Astronauts describe them as curtains of living fire. They shimmer, bend, and ripple as if the sky itself is breathing. Auroras remind us that Earth is not isolated. It is constantly interacting with the sun, our star, our lifeline, our source of energy. From space, the continents appear as vast tapestries of color. Golden deserts stretch like oceans of sand. Mountain ranges rise like jagged spines. You can see the red heart of Australia, the green sweep of the Amazon, the icy white crown of Antarctica. These landscapes have existed for millions of years, yet they continue to evolve with every passing moment. Clouds appear soft from the ground, but from space they are powerful sculptures of air and water. They swirl, stretch, and collide, painting the sky with endless patterns. Over the oceans, clouds form giant spirals the size of entire countries. Every cloud in this video is part of a larger system, a planet breathing, shifting, living. The International Space Station orbits Earth 16 times per day. That means astronauts witness 16 sunrises and 16 sunsets every 24 hours. In these moments, the planet glows with color. Golden hues melt into orange, then red, then deep blue. Each sunrise from space lasts only a few seconds. But those seconds are among the most beautiful sights any human can experience. Expedition 65 was more than an exploration mission. It was a collaboration between nations. Astronauts from NASA, Roscosmos, JAXA, and ESA lived and worked together aboard the ISS. They captured these 4K images using cutting-edge cameras, not only to study Earth, but to share its beauty with everyone back home. Every clip in this video was recorded in microgravity, orbiting at over 28,000 kilometers per hour. At this speed, the ISS travels the width of the United States in 8 minutes. From space, the world looks peaceful. There are no borders, no countries, no divisions. Just one planet, filled with billions of people living their stories together. Earth is rare. Earth is fragile. Earth is beautiful. As this video comes to an end, take a moment to feel gratitude for the woo. Thank you for joining this journey around our planet. May the peace and beauty of these images remind you of the wonder that surrounds us every day, even when we cannot see it. This is Earth in 4K, as seen from the edge of space.